Yeah, hello friends. So here in this video we are going to see if you want to write a program for the to take the highest and the second highest number in in an array, then how you can get it. Okay, it is simple and yeah, we'll see how you can do this. So let's start it. So in this is the main function of your C program, and here I have taken an array of integer 10. Okay, so I have taken this 10 values. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 5 and 5 10. And so here I have taken the two variable. One is the max n and other one is the max n1. So basically max n is the highest value and this one is the second highest value. So you can or probably rename as well, so if, as per your requirement. So here I will take the unsigned integer, and depending on your need you can take the unsigned character or any other value as well. Okay, so here unsigned integer a of so here what I did, basically while starting itself I am taking the value of array index 0 for the both at the both values, yeah, highest number and the second highest number. So I will take that value, and it's from the second one, second number onwards I will do a checking for the uh, yeah, all the numbers. Basically I will check with this first number for the first time. So I have taken this variable as a loop. Okay, so this loop is basically will iterate from 0 to 9, and we will going to iterate that from 0 to 9. That's why we have this loop, and that is of unsigned character type. Okay, and as I said, the logic behind this is, let's say I want to take the latest one, then I will iterate from this to this, and I will compare the if the this one is greater than this, or if this one is greater than this, or basically I will take the latest number, I will compare and I will take the. So let's say first time I will iterating from loop 1 to 10. So first time I'm checking whether this zeroth in number, because this is the now it is there is no need of taking loop from 0, because I have already taken the 0 index here. So I will start from a 25. So I will compare the 25 with 20, because I have this one at 0. So if 25 is bigger than 20, then I need to definitely update this. So whatever the 20 is there, I will update that with the second highest, and this one with the highest. So I need to do that, right? So I will update the second highest number with the 20, and I will update the highest number with 25. Okay, so this will basically work. Okay, so I will remove this portion and let's see what exactly is the problem. Okay, with this, so I will comment out this portion of code, and let's see what exactly is the happening there. So once I will run this, and still it is working basically. Okay, because there is no case where after 67 it is getting updated. Okay, so let's say I will take the other value, let's say it is of 38, and then I will execute it. So yeah, so you can see it is taking 41 number as in the second highest, though 64 is the second highest, right? So there is a catch over here. So yeah, so let's say if you are getting the number, let's say 70. I am iterating, let's say, because till this stage the highest was 41, and once I get this, so it will take the highest number this and the second highest this. Okay, but if I am getting the number value which is in between the highest and second highest, so this is the example. Let's say 41 is the second highest and 75 is the highest number. Okay, if I'm getting in between value, let's say 64, then I am not updating my highest and second highest, because of this loop is checking only the value with max highest number only, and it will not going to do that. So for that reason what I need, let's say the checking where the number is not greater than the highest number, but it is still less, but it is still bigger than the second highest. So then in that case I need to update the second highest number, right? So I am going to add this condition. Okay, and I will use the else because once it if it is going there, then there is, yeah, no need to go update the second highest again, right? So I have taken this else if condition. So let's say there is a condition where the number is less than 75, but still it is bigger than the 41. So in this case, I'm going to update the second highest number. Now let's say after this additional check, I'm going to execute this program, and we can see the we are getting the correct result, right? So let's try some more time, some more input. So let's say I have given this. So yeah, it is taking 86 is the highest and 75. So I will take one more input. Let's say 98 this time. Yes, it is also taking this. So 98 is the highest, 86 is the lowest. Okay. So let's do this again one more time. Let's say I will take 99 over here. So there is a catch over here. So because 99 is the highest number, and that has the first index itself. Okay, so if the 99 is the highest and all the other number are the lowest, then it is not taking that value. Basically, that is the problem over here. So we need to update for that condition as well. So yeah, so how can we fix this issue? It is quite simple because here we have a bug, because here we have taken both as a 99, the first index of that array. Okay, so basically I can take this as an highest number, but I need not to take this second highest number, the same number. So I can give this as a zero number, okay, zero value. So because that once if I'm getting other value less than this value, then at least it should execute, right? So it should be executed via this loop. So let's execute this again and let's see what is exactly is happening. Yeah, so now you can see it is working. So this is the correction we need to do for this case, and let's it is working. So this is how you can write a program to get the highest and second highest number in C. And still if you have any doubt, you can, yeah, comment it. I will try to answer you. Thanks for watching this video. See you again.